Did you know that aerospace engineering is the backbone of modern flight and space exploration? From designing aircraft to developing space technologies, this field is where innovation meets the skies. This video can help you discover if it is the right fit for you. Aerospace engineering is divided into two main branches: aeronautical, focusing on aircraft within Earth's atmosphere, and astronautical, which deals with spacecraft beyond our planet. Each branch offers unique challenges and opportunities. Starting your journey in aerospace engineering begins with a bachelor's degree in the field. This foundational education covers essential topics like fluid dynamics and materials science, preparing you for the challenges ahead. Hands-on experience is crucial. Internships and cooperative programs offer real-world exposure, allowing you to apply theoretical knowledge and build industry connections. Consider advancing with a master's degree for specialized roles. The aerospace job market is promising, with a 6% growth projected by 2032. High demand exists in industries like national defense and space exploration, offering lucrative salaries and exciting career paths. Aerospace engineers can also explore related careers such as mechanical or avionics engineering. Your skills are versatile, opening doors to various fields beyond traditional aerospace roles. Reflect on your skills and interests. Are you detail-oriented and innovative? Do you enjoy solving complex problems? If so, aerospace engineering might be your calling. Tools like the Career Fit Test can provide further insights of your strengths and careers that fit you. By pursuing a career in aerospace engineering, you'll be at the forefront of technological advancements, contributing to groundbreaking projects. If you're unsure whether this is the right fit for you, the Career Fit Test can help guide you toward a fulfilling and impactful career. You will find a link below for completing this career assessment.